I'm going to walk you through the How to Monetize Anything blueprint, because you are most likely sitting on a ton of unaccessed income. Your knowledge can be directly turned into income, and I can show you how to set it up in less than an hour. First of all, I want you to understand that this is for everyone. I want everyone to have this stream of income added into their business plan. No matter what your industry is, no matter if you feel like you're ready for this or not, you need to get this started right away. Otherwise, you could be losing thousands of potential leads that could be converted into sales. Now, I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to set this up so that after an hour of working on this with me, you are going to have a fully functional system. It is going to be up and running and ready to go. You're going to need to join a platform called KAJABI. Now, this is a paid platform, and I know what you're thinking. This is a big expense. I don't know if I'm ready to do this, and that's fine. You can come back to this later when you do feel ready to start earning streams of passive income. KAJABI is an all-in-one platform. You can try to Frankenstein together 5, 6, 7 different lesser priced platforms or even free platforms together. But the fact is that you are going to end up wasting valuable time, money, and resources on piecing all those different programs together when you could have something fully functional and easy to launch. KAJABI more than pays for itself once you get going. But what's even better is that I'm going to give you a 30-day free trial. 30 days for free, as opposed to what KAJABI offers on their website, which is 14 days. Click my link in the video description down below, and you will be able to access 30 days of KAJABI for free. This means that you can build, launch, and even start selling and turning a profit on this funnel within those 30 days, all for free. If you don't like it after that, simply cancel. First, you need to think of exactly what your digital product is going to be. Is it going to be a course? Is it going to be a membership site? Is it going to be a series of digital downloads or a coaching package? Whatever it is going to be, I want you to plan that in advance, because all of your marketing is going to have to be directed to that target customer for that specific project. You don't need to create the product yet, but you will need to in the future. So it's important that you think this through. Next, you're going to need to think about exactly where they are online. Where is that customer hanging out? What platforms do they use in their downtime on their phones? Where are they when they are on their desktops at home? Think about exactly where they are spending their time and exactly how you can create touch points in those areas to reach them directly. Now that we've defined our target customer for your future digital paid product, I want you to think of a free piece of content that is highly valuable for that customer. What is something for free that they want, that is high value, that they will be willing to input their email address into your funnel and receive that piece of content? The key here is to plan something that directly speaks to their needs and problems, that will lead them down the line later to purchase your paid product, but doesn't exactly give away all of the exact value of the paid product. This is going to be called a lead magnet. Now, we're going to be creating a lead magnet today, and we're going to utilize a free software called Canva in order to do it. Now, Canva has a paid account and a free account. All you need to do to complete this today is to open a free account with Canva. From there, you are going to figure out exactly what your lead magnet is going to be. I want you to first think of what you have already created for your business. Try to always start there and don't create something new. There's no reason that I need to create something new when I have already done the work. Think about whether or not you have a blog, social media posts, if you have email mailers, if you have client-ready resources, anything that you have already created that directly correlates to your future paid product. Can you repurpose it or revamp it so you don't have to start from scratch? Go to canva.com, create a free account, and then look up a template for whatever type of document you want to create. Most likely there is already a beautiful template waiting for you to customize. Now, when it comes time to customizing things, Canva is really easy to use. You can choose stock photos. You can edit text, embed links, and do a variety of other features. Once you have completed the process, then you're going to download it as a PDF in the right-hand corner. Now, another alternative to Canva is a software called Designer. Designer allows you to create these really beautiful ebook publications quickly and easily. So if you are someone that prefers Designer over Canva, then you can use that as an option. Now, Designer also offers a really big perk for those of you that have already created video content, but you don't have it transcribed. You can actually embed a link to your video. Designer will transcribe it and automatically create an ebook out of it. Now, once you have created an account on Designer, you are going to choose how you are going to import the content of your ebook. First, I'm going to show you how to import it from a link on an article that I had already created. Simply paste the link of the blog post or wherever your content is right here, and Designer is going to go ahead and transfer all of that text automatically. Next, we're going to select the template for the style of ebook that we want to create. So you can see they have a wide variety of different types of templates available here. You can click preview to see what it will look like, and then once you have made your decision, you're going to go ahead and select that template. This is going to automatically populate the content from the link that you imported into the publication here. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of things that I might need to go in and tweak, rearrange, or edit so that it makes sense in an ebook format or so that it looks how I want it to look. So now I'm going to begin the customization process. There's a variety of different types of pages over here on the left, and you can simply drag and drop the content or the page into the ebook, and it will go ahead and populate that for you, or you can manually add or remove elements. As you can see, it automatically sectioned out the content of the document that I inputted here into various different sections. So there's not a lot of work that I have to do. Next, let's try importing the almost exact same content only in YouTube video form. So I'm going to grab the link of the video directly from YouTube, and I'm going to click YouTube Video Importer here. I'm going to input the link, and we're going to see how it does. As you can see, it once again sectioned everything out, and there is actually very little that I need to change. Links are automatically input here. Though I'm not quite sure how it did that, it definitely was very accurate. It took me literally 5 minutes to create my lead magnet using both of these methods. Now, once you have your lead magnet created, the next step is going to be to actually upload that lead magnet into KAJABI. Now, the best way to do this in KAJABI is through a function called funnels. Once logged into KAJABI, under the marketing section, you're going to click on funnels and then click add funnel. Next, KAJABI is going to populate your funnel for you. You're going to be prompted to create and customize this landing page where potential customers can enter in their information in order to obtain your freebie. Next, you're going to upload the specific freebie, the PDF file that you have created, so that it's there and able to be automatically downloaded. Next, customize the page where your customers will enter in their information in order to access the download. Next, you'll be prompted to edit the email sequence. You can add any other attachments or links to additional downloads here and customize it however you would like. Next, customize the thank you page that they will see after they enter in their email address. Here, there will be a direct link to download the digital product instantly. And that is it. It is super simple. What we have set up now is a landing page. When a potential customer views the option to access your lead magnet, when they click on that link, they're going to be taken to this screen, which prompts them to access the download by sharing their email address. What we want to do next is we want to create an email nurture sequence. This is going to be a series of additional emails that share valuable information with that potential customer. This is going to be additional free content. Do not pitch your product yet. We're going to set up 3 emails in our nurture sequence. Now that we have the system set up in KAJABI where potential customers can find that lead magnet, go to the opt-in page, subscribe to receive the lead magnet, automatically receive it, and then automatically receive those 3 nurture email sequences that give them additional content and really get you to trust your brand. Next, we are ready to get this lead magnet in front of your customers and clients because it does no one any good if they don't find it. We're first going to start with embedding the link to the opt-in to get the lead magnet in the most obvious and simple places. Scan your online presence and find anywhere where you have the ability to embed a link. This is going to mean updating your website so that it has a button to download this lead magnet. This is going to mean adding this link to any video content that you offer or any about pages on social media accounts, as well as all over your blog. Doing this means that anytime someone visits your online presence, whether it be your website, social media, anywhere across the board where you already have an online presence, they have the ability to trade their email address for that valuable content. They aren't a wasted lead. You now have a way to capture their information. But this is not the most important part. This is the part you should do right away and make sure that you have done so that you don't have wasted leads coming to your website. But do not stop there because the next step is the most important, and it is creating a way to drive traffic to that opt-in. I'm going to share with you my 3 favorite ways to drive traffic to a lead magnet. Number 1 is by creating video content on YouTube that is specifically tailored to your target customer. Embed the link in the first line of the video description, as well as on your about page and in your banner link. The second method is driving traffic to your opt-in through Pinterest and automating a system that repins that content on a loop for you, getting you access to all of the search traffic from your target customers on Pinterest. And the third way is by creating a Facebook ad. This is going to be the one for those of you that actually have a marketing budget already in mind, because this is going to be the one that will get you those leads quickly, easily, and without lots of additional work, but it does come at a marketing price. I have also created a guide that goes along with this, and I want you to be able to access it by clicking the link in the description down below.